I now am joined by Captain Donovan Sims with the Louisville Fire Department. I want to make sure everybody's safe, right?
Yeah,
So what
safety
are
is paramount.
quick tips for firework safety?
Again, the quickest tip is just be cautious. Have adults light fireworks. Don't have children light fireworks. A lot of the injuries we see from 4th of July are injuries to children 15 and younger. A lot of them are extremities to their hands, their feet, their arms. Again, those sparklers, those handheld fireworks, they burn really hot. They burn over 1,200 degrees. It takes only 900 degrees to melt glass. So just imagine a kid holding a sparkler that burns over 1,200 degrees. Some other things you can do to be safe there is go to the fireworks shows. Like get your family out and do that, and that's a safe way to have it done.